Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2015 Hyundai Sonata 2.4-liter Sport. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, chrome trim, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 17-inch alloy wheels, performance tires, speed-sensitive wipers, fully automatic daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong 4-cylinder with only 22,783 miles. The shark fin antenna, large wraparound brake lights, the quasi-dual exhaust, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row heated premium cloth bucket seating. Cruise, AC, a locking glove box, a tracker system, selective service internet, a tilting, telescoping steering wheel with convenience controls, the entertainment system with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.